UX literally means user experience. And that's what I like to think about it as just the whole experience that the user has when they interface with your product or idea or brand or whatever it is. And so it's not just about the pixels that they're touching, it's about the way that they feel when they think about who you are or what you represent. When I see people say like UX/UI, I like to translate that sentence and to say something like, oh, I like to play music/guitar. And like that's not really a way that we talk normally. So a UI is a part of the user experience, right? It's the interface that somebody is touching and interacting with. Maybe it's the voice, right? Maybe it's a gesture. Maybe it's a virtual experience. But the user interface is the way that they input and output from whatever the experience is. Okay, so what you just saw was a teaser, a trailer of sorts for this video series that I've been working really hard and working with Adobe to make. And it's a whole series. There's 9 videos. It's called Learn from the Experts, Experience Design. That's the series that we made. And we, as you saw, we went into the studio and we had so much material prepared. We got 9 videos out of it, and our videos are everything about the topic of user experience design, from the role of the UX designer to best practices and the tools that we use, about getting started in the industry, and even continued learning after you've entered into the field. So it's really great videos. I'm really proud of what we've done and what we've accomplished with these videos, and I really hope that you like them too. You can check them out with the links that are in the description below, and they're totally free. Just enjoy them.